In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pause Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit right here at that Reels tab to start watching Reels, and then if you want to pause the Reel, you can just tap and hold your finger on the screen. Maybe you want to see some details on that Reel or whatever, and then to unpause it, just lift your finger up from the screen, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.